Hi everyone, it's Miss Elise from the Morristown and Morris Township Library, and today I have a really kind of interesting craft for you. I wanted to make a self-care kind of package for a really good friend of mine, and I thought I would share some tips and tricks on how I do it in order to share with you. And first, of course, comes the envelope you send it in. I really enjoy these types of envelopes, which are almost made from a brown paper bag consistency and have the lines for where you need to write the addresses already printed on them, which is great. It also has one of these sticker folding tabs, so that way it's really easy to just stick and send. It is also has a bubble wrap inner layer, which you can't really see on the inside, but you can definitely feel it when you pick it up. Therefore, it really secures the package that you're going to send. I also really enjoy this, which is a much simpler and smaller concept with the same sticker label, but here you can really see the inner layer of bubble wrap that's really going to protect your package. But for the purposes of this video and what I'm actually sending, I'm going to be using a regular manila envelope with bubble wrap on the inside. I really recommend that you use bubble wrap for this just because it's going to add another layer of protection to whatever you're going to send. Now let's get to the fun part. You're also going to need some decorative types of things, like these types of stickers here. And if you really want to make it really personal, you also want to use a variety of pens and pencils in order to create a card for your friend, or your loved one, or your family member, whoever you're sending this to. Specifically, I'm using the Prismacolor Premier pen in 0.05 centimeters. So, and last but not least, you're going to need a piece of paper for your card if you choose to add a personalized touch to your package. And of course, how could I not forget the inside stuff of what you're actually sending? So here I'm sending a t-shirt along with some homemade masks and some candy. As you can see, the t-shirt is really cute. I recently went on vacation and bought this t-shirt for a friend of mine because she really admired it, and I figured it would be a nice addition to send it to her. Of course, without the tag. So adding a little gift that you think your friend or your loved one might like is a really great touch to your care package. Another thing I have sending are these homemade shark masks. My friend really enjoys sharks, so my mom and I made these masks for her and some other friends of hers so that she can look stylish when going into the grocery store or shopping for other items or out in public. And last but not least, I'm also sending her some little candies just because I know she likes them and they're going to go really well for this care package. So let's get started with the card. I'm going to first be cutting my paper to size of how I want it to be, and then sketching out the pattern of how I want the card to look. I'm doing a shark because I figured that would be very appropriate. Decorated by some little fish surrounding it and a stingray and another shark at the bottom. My friend really enjoys sharks, so I figured this would be a really great personalized touch that she can keep forever because one side is going to be really decorative. So yeah, I'm just sketching that out, and then I'm using some colored pencils. I'm using the Prismacolor Premier colored pencils in wax, with a wax core, because I think they work really nicely and blend really well. So I'm just going to color and blend my drawing, which I had already done on one side, just so that it looks a little bit more colorful and actually adds a really nice touch to the care package overall. You didn't, my camera cut, I'm so sorry, but I finished the card and I wrote a nice personalized message on the back, and here I'm actually assembling and making my gift really pretty. So I'm using this ribbon and tying up both of the things that I'm going to be sending to her, and then curling the ribbon by taking my scissors and running up along the extra ends. Ask a parent for help for this. I'm then wrapping it in bubble wrap and taping it up on the sides just so that everything is nice and secure. I'm then going to be placing the card on top and slipping it into the manila file folder. I am then writing my address and my friend's address on the front. See my previous video on how to make DIY cards for that. And otherwise, this is the finished product. So I'm sure my friend is really going to enjoy this care package in the mail, and I really hope she enjoys it, and I hope that the person you send a care package to is really going to enjoy it too. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys next week for another really awesome craft. Alright, bye guys!